Imagine being able to draw professional icons, even if you absolutely can't draw. What if you could sketch something terrible, and AI instantly turns it into clean artwork ready for YouTube thumbnails, blog graphics, or presentations? In today's video, I'm showing you a completely free AI tool that does exactly that. We're diving into AutoDraw, and I'll walk you step by step through how to use it to create polished visuals in minutes. Welcome to Ray Creators Lab, where we share and discuss everything about AI and online tools that you need for your everyday workflow. Kindly support this channel by hitting that subscribe button, like and share this video, and don't forget to turn on the notification button. Now, let's get started. AutoDraw is a browser-based drawing tool that uses machine learning to recognize your doodles and suggest polished illustrations created by artists. You simply sketch, and it predicts what you're trying to draw, offering improved replacements instantly. It works on desktop, tablet, or mobile, requires no installation, and is completely free to use. Beyond the AI suggestions, it includes editing tools like text insertion, shapes, color picker, fill tools, resize/move controls, export/download options. So it's not just a toy, it's a practical visual creation tool. Let's walk through the exact process shown here. First, I open AutoDraw in the browser and click Start Drawing to enter the blank canvas workspace. Once the canvas loads, I select the AutoDraw tool from the left toolbar. This tool enables AI recognition while sketching. Next, I begin drawing a very rough outline of a shoe using my mouse. No precision, just a quick sketch representing the general shape. As I draw, AutoDraw immediately analyzes the strokes and displays suggested matches across the top of the screen. I scan through the suggestions bar and locate the shoe illustration that best matches the shape I intended. I click that suggestion, and AutoDraw replaces my rough sketch with a clean, professionally drawn shoe icon. Now that the shoe graphic is on the canvas, I adjust it. I reposition it by dragging, resize it to fit the layout, modify colors using the color tool. This allows me to refine the visual before finalizing. After completing the edits, I move to export the image by opening the menu and choosing Download. The finished shoe illustration is then saved as an image file ready for use in content, presentations, or thumbnails. And that's the full workflow, from rough sketch to polished graphic. So you may want to ask, as a creator, what can I use AutoDraw for? Here's where this becomes powerful for creators. AutoDraw is used for quick icon generation for YouTube thumbnails, blog illustrations, educational visuals, social media graphics, presentation assets, because you can iterate extremely fast without design expertise. If you found this helpful, make sure you subscribe to Ray Creators Lab, where we explore AI tools that make content creation faster and smarter. And next, you might want to check out tools that go beyond drawing and generate full visual assets automatically. Watch my other videos to see more AI and online tools that you need as a creator. I'll see you in the next one.